Hi everybody, I'm Ryan, and we're here today at Customer Connect Expo representing Assembled. Assembled is a support operations platform. We have three main products. We have our AI offering, where we handle AI agents and offer them to you through email, chat, phone. We have our vendor management offering, where we help you with billing for your call center agents. And we have our workforce management platform, where we help you increase productivity for your in-house agents. Increase things like CSAT, adherence, occupancy, rates. And if there's one thing we want people to know about us, I think is that we really focus on customers. We really want them to have a great experience, so we go out of our way, whether it be during pre-sales, when we try to really understand what you're trying to solve during implementations, where we want you to have the best experience, and during the post-sales process, where you're constantly asking questions and you want to get the best out of our product. We're there for you throughout every step of the journey.